People are spending 50,000 to 1 lakh to learn AI, but at the same time, Google is offering a free AI course, and on top of it, you'll be getting hoodies, t-shirts, bags, and exclusive swags. No payment needed, no hidden cost, just skills plus rewards. So the real question is that why so many people are still missing it. So in this video, I'll show you what this course actually is, what you'll be learning day by day, and how to join this particular program, and how many people should be getting the swags. So make sure to watch till the end because most people will miss one small step. Now, right now, you must be knowing that AI is everywhere and everyone wants to learn. But most of the courses are theoretical, outdated, or expensive. So people either waste money or never start. So there's where the opportunity stands out. We are talking about the amazing 5 days AI agent intensive vibe coding course with Google. We already covered 5 days AI agent intensive course with Google. We covered everything from scratch. If you have participated in December or November in 2025, you must have known about this particular event. Again, this event is back with the updated concept, new experts and hands-on learning, and a part of it you'll be getting a real project to work upon. So it is completely free of cost, and this is not just a normal course. Okay, you won't just watch videos and forget everything. You'll be building AI agents, using real tools and API, and working on practical day-to-day life. You'll be getting chance to vibe code where you use natural language to build things faster. So here you can see they have properly aligned all the concepts over here. You'll be getting daily assignments, you'll be getting dedicated live streams for your queries, for any of your doubts, and at the last you'll be getting a capstone project which will be based on real world scenario. If you participated in the Gen Academy Epic Edition, or maybe in the prompt words, you must have seen what kind of projects we have to make. Okay, and you'll be getting some badges, prizes, and certificates too. So you can see they have divided our days into total 5 days. Okay, first of all, they introduce you about vibe codings, about agents. After that, you'll be learning how agent tools works and their interoperability. Apart from this, on day 3, you'll be learning about skills and memory, how you have to train the agents. And on day 4 and 5, day 4, you'll be learning about the agent quality and security. Okay, so here you'll be developing reliable agents by implementing rigorous testing and guardrails. And on day 5, you'll be just deploying from vibe coding to live your app. Okay, so all these things they have covered. If you still have any doubts, you can let me know in the comment section. Now, here, what are the required skills for participating in this particular course? And yes, as said earlier, it is completely free of cost. You'll be knowing basics of Python, basics AI concepts, and generative AI Studio or Google AI Studio. If you don't know, do not worry. I'll be covering everything in detail. If you have seen the 5 days AI agent intensive course with Google, we have already covered all the things in the channel. You can just watch those videos also. I'll attach the links in the description so you can understand how those work. So all these things are there and anyone can participate. Okay. So here, if you are under 18 years, this is the opportunity you can take part in this opportunity completely free of cost. So how to register? It's very simple. You have to simply first of all sign in to your Kaggle account, then simply click on register over here. So if you don't have a Kaggle account, simply click on register with Google directly. Okay, then it will just ask for some of the details, or it will directly sign in over here. After that, you have to click on register, and then you can click on OK. So you are finally registered if you have already done all the things. Now you'll be getting all the updates regarding it, and the program will be starting from 15th of June. So whenever the event will be live, I'll make a dedicated video for that also. So stay tuned till the end. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. And if you want to know more about the arcade program and different programs on the channel, you can just navigate over here and find all the opportunities completely free of cost. Thank you. Goodbye. Do like the video and subscribe the channel and share the video with everyone.